Today, we'll dive into a strategy that can skyrocket your affiliate marketing earnings. We'll walk you through the process of setting up an effective affiliate marketing system using a lead magnet landing page and free traffic methods. Let's get started. But before we start, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. It helps us a lot. Thanks. Step 1. Choose your affiliate product. Begin by selecting a product from an affiliate marketing network. In this example, we'll be using ClickBank, focusing on the Brain Training for Dogs product in the Home and Garden category. Step 2. Register for an affiliate account. Step 2 involves registering for an account on your chosen affiliate marketing network. For ClickBank, simply navigate to their website, click on Start Here, and complete the sign-up process. Once registered, access the marketplace to explore various categories and offers for promotion. Moving on to Step 3. Get your affiliate link. Choose an affiliate offer within your niche. In this example, we're focusing on the home and garden category, specifically in the animal care and pets niche. The selected product is Brain Training for Dogs, boasting a high gravity score indicating popularity and an average conversion dollar amount of $44.88. To obtain your affiliate link, click on the Promote button and then select Create Hop Link. Copy the generated link. This is what customers will click on to purchase the dog training product, earning you $44.88 for each sale. Save this link for reference, whether in a notepad or stickies. Now, let's discuss the traffic driving methods, employing two techniques, one effective and the other significantly more potent in boosting sales. The initial technique is highly efficient in generating affiliate sales, while the second is remarkably more effective, leading to a substantial increase in sales. Step 4. Drive traffic with valuable content. Step 4. Search for a relevant article on Google, like 10 dog training tips, and find a website appealing to potential customers. Share the link with a targeted audience. An ad for the Brain Training for Dogs course will pop up as they read. Many engaged readers will likely click and purchase. The second technique involves capturing emails for retargeting, boosting affiliate commissions. Setting up email campaigns can be automated for efficiency. Now, let's explore placing an ad on the web page to attract quality traffic and earn substantial affiliate commissions. Step 5. Create a compelling ad with Write.ly. Step 5 involves using the website Write.ly to create an ad for the affiliate offer. Start a free trial on the website where no payment information is required. Create a new ad, name it appropriately, Dog Training, and select the evil pop-up video ad type for optimal conversions. Choose a promotional video from the affiliate resources page of the product you're promoting on ClickBank and paste the video URL. Customize the ad, including the button label, logo, background color, and autoplay settings. Set the ad to pop up after a specified number of seconds, 10 seconds. Next, copy the URL of the article you selected and paste it into Write.ly. Select the ad you've created and generate a unique URL. This link will direct readers to the article with the pop-up ad. The idea is that interested readers will click on the ad, view the affiliate sales page, and potentially make a purchase. Step 6. Build a lead magnet landing page. Step 6 focuses on linking the Learn More button in the ad to a landing page for email lead collection, enhancing the potential for automated email broadcasts and increased affiliate earnings. To execute this at scale, the strategy involves creating multiple landing pages for various affiliate offers. The narrator emphasizes having about 50 landing pages for 50 affiliate marketing offers across different niches such as health, e-commerce, and pets. Each landing page is designed to capture email leads, and an automated email broadcast system is set up for each, targeting those who clicked on the affiliate sales page but did not make a purchase. To implement this, the narrator recommends using GetResponse, a tool with a link provided in the description for a free trial. The basic version is suggested for building an unlimited number of landing pages, allowing the promotion of multiple affiliate products simultaneously. The process involves creating a landing page for a specific affiliate offer using customizable templates on GetResponse. The narrator demonstrates choosing a template, naming it Brain Training for Dogs, and modifying the content to align with the promoted product. This includes replacing the banner image, editing text, and adjusting buttons. After creating the landing page, the next step is to set up an automated email response system using GetResponse. The narrator guides users through creating a list for each affiliate product, noting the importance of categorizing and organizing contacts based on the products promoted. A list is created for the dog training product. For instance, the automated email broadcast is set to trigger 2 days after a user signs up via the landing page. This sequence is designed to follow up with potential customers, increasing the chances of conversion. Finally, the narrator instructs how to replace the raw affiliate URL in the Learn More button of the ad with the landing page URL. This ensures that when users click on Learn More, they are directed to the landing page for lead capture and potential conversions, leveraging the automated email follow-up system. Step 7. Link ad to landing page. In Step 7, navigate back to write.ly, where the ad was created, and click on the Edit Pencil icon. Copy the unique URL of the landing page created earlier. Replace the existing raw affiliate URL in the button link with the landing page URL. Click Done. Proceed to Step 8 by going back to the 10 Dog Training Tips article, copying its URL, and pasting it into the Enter Destination URL in write.ly. Create the link with the ad, selecting the dog training ad. Save this new URL. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, test the URL by pasting it into the browser's address bar. This step is crucial to confirm that users will land on the intended landing page when they click Learn More. Step 8. Share your article for free traffic. In Step 8, shift your focus to sharing the article with an interested audience. Leverage platforms like Facebook groups, Quora, and Reddit to connect with a broader community passionate about dog training. Engage by delivering valuable content and sharing your article. The aim is to drive traffic to the article, capitalizing on the higher likelihood of clicks compared to sending traffic directly to an affiliate URL. This approach delivers value to the audience through informative dog training tips. For effective tracking, use write.ly to monitor clicks and evaluate the strategy's success. By driving traffic, establishing credibility, and sharing valuable content, this method significantly boosts the potential for successful conversions in affiliate marketing. As you proceed, keep a close eye on your results and don't hesitate to share your experiences in the comments section. Best of luck with your affiliate marketing endeavors. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and press the bell icon for notifications.